Hi everyone, today we're going to make a chicken and potato fried rice. I had the pork and potato fried rice back in Chengdu a long time ago. I loved it. I've been making it at home since then and I want to share with you guys today. Of course you can use pork too. First we're going to season the chicken with salt, white pepper powder, starch and some oil. To make a great fried rice, you need to use like a day or two old leftover rice. So when you make your rice, just put less water, make it hotter. And then we gotta break them up before we cook them. First, let's add some oil and stir fry the chicken. After 2 minutes, we're going to take out the chicken and set aside. Now we're going to add a little bit more oil and one part of green onions and chopped garlic. We're going to stir fry potatoes. We're going to cook about 3 to 4 minutes. Now I add a little bit of salt. Now we're going to add the rice. Cook about another 2-3 minutes. Add a little bit more salt. Now we're going to add the chicken back. Last, we're going to add the green onions. Add a little bit of salt. Our rice is ready. Very homey and delicious chicken and potato fried rice as rice, potato, and the chicken. It can be quick lunch or dinner. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.